Today we're going to dive into the details of DMCA takedowns. If you've ever had your content used without permission, this guide will help you understand how to protect your intellectual property using the Digital Millennium Copyright Act, or DMCA. The DMCA is a crucial tool for protecting your copyrighted material online. Let's break down the steps involved in a DMCA takedown and how leak content removal can assist you in this process. The first step is to identify where your copyrighted content is being used without permission. This could be on websites, social media platforms, or even in search engine results. Make a list of all the URLs and locations where your content appears. Gather evidence of the infringement. Take screenshots, save URLs, and note any other relevant details. This documentation will be crucial when you submit your DMCA takedown request. The DMCA provides a legal framework for requesting the removal of copyrighted content. Understanding its basics will make the removal process smoother. A DMCA takedown notice needs to include specific information to be effective. You should include your contact information, a description of the copyrighted work, location of the infringing material, a statement of good faith belief that the use is unauthorized, and your signature. Submit your DMCA takedown notice to the website hosting the infringing content. Most websites have a dedicated process for handling these requests. Look for a report or contact us sections on the site. If the content is not removed promptly, follow up with the website. Sometimes it may take a few reminders to get the job done. Be persistent but polite in your communication. If the process seems overwhelming or if the content is not being removed, consider hiring professionals like Leak Content Removal. We specialize in handling DMCA takedown requests and can take the burden off your shoulders. Our team has the expertise to ensure your content is protected and removed efficiently. Protecting your copyrighted content is essential to maintaining control over your intellectual property. By following these steps, you can effectively handle DMCA takedown requests and safeguard your work. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice. And if you need professional assistance, visit us at leakcontentremoval.com. Our team is here to help you with all your copyright removal needs. Until next time, protect your content and stay vigilant online.